Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to rotate picture in Microsoft Excel. So get it started. At first you will open your Excel document file. Firstly then going to the insert menu option. Now click for the picture option. Then choose picture now for insert option. Then show the insert from the picture. This picture is from the rotate. Now going to the rotate option. Now click for the rotate right 90 and rotate left 90 and flip vertical and flip horizontal. Then access. That's okay. Then I show the rotate picture in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.